That just means not a perfect plan, but just what are some things you do immediately start making progress? Because as you make progress, new insights will come to you. And then the fourth one, and I'll finish with that, the others are quick, is just you have to then do the hard work. You got to slay your dragons. You got to slay that limiting belief or that anger or that hurt or that sadness. You got to create that compelling future. You got to go get that skill. And then after those first 4 steps, you'll have momentum. Now you just need a daily practice, something that puts you in the place of doing the right thing each day so it becomes a habit. You need to measure more often. When I take over a company, the first thing I do is measure more often. And I find the things that matter, and I'll measure them not once a year, then you have a bad year. Measure once a month, you're not going to have bad years. You got 12 times to make it better. Measure it once a week, you won't have bad months. Measure it once a day. And some companies, when I take over, I'll measure some things 3 or 4 times a day because where focus goes, energy flows. And so now all of a sudden you're measuring and improving. You've been doing the daily practice, you'll then get to a point where you can celebrate. And once you celebrate, it starts all over again because you'll be called on another journey because we're meant to grow. If you ask, people ask me, what does it take to be happy? You met millions of people. What does it take? So many people are unhappy. Well, relationships are one of the keys to that, but there is one key even within relationship, progress.